Hello everyone. Are you tired of the standard in-game crosshairs? Let's talk about how to get a custom crosshair for better aiming precision on your console, whether it is PS4, Xbox, or PS5. If your monitor supports crosshair overlays, you are in luck. Navigate to the monitor's game settings or game enhancer menu and enable the custom crosshair feature. Many monitors allow you to adjust the shape, color, and size of the crosshair to suit your needs. For a more advanced solution, devices like the Chronus Zen or XIM Apex can overlay custom crosshairs directly onto your screen. Connect the device to your console, install the necessary software, and configure your desired crosshair style. Now, if you are on a budget, try using a small piece of transparent tape, stick it on your screen where the in-game crosshair is, and draw your own crosshair with a marker. It is simple but effective. Now, some games allow for crosshair customization directly within their settings. Look for options under HUD or gameplay settings. You might be able to change the crosshair's color, opacity, or size without external tools. Now, once you have added a custom crosshair, play a few rounds to test it out. Adjust the positioning or style if needed to make it as comfortable and accurate as possible. And that's all for this guide on custom crosshairs. Whether you go for built-in monitor feature, external device, or a DIY solution, these tips will help improve your aim. Now, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.